Attention manufacturing or service business owners. I've got a really great calculator for you today. Kevin Ware, your Action Business Coach. I wanted to introduce you to the profitability calculation for manufacturing and service business. So I'm going to go through this, and what this is that's going to help you determine the right price for your products out in the marketplace. So we've got the item name as a widget in this case. Now the light green is where you enter the values, and the darker color here is the auto-calculated number. So it goes through a 5-step process. So step 1 is you enter your current sales price, what are your cost of goods sold, number of labor hours, and your hourly labor rate. Now, one of the things you'll notice here is that you have little instructions in each one of these tabs here that you can uncover. So that's going to give your gross profit. Then step 2 is you calculate the overhead cost per item. You add in the hours per week, annual weeks of operation. What are your annual overheads? You can pull that off of your profit and loss statement. Production personnel, how many people do you have directly in production? That's going to give you your hourly overhead per person. And then that's going to give you your overhead cost per item. Step 3 is you go in and calculate admin sales costs, so the annual number of jobs that you sell. What's your admin and sales salaries for a year, and then admin cost per job. That's going to auto-calculate, and that's going to tell you your net profit per item or service. So in this particular example here, the sales price is $300, but that's making a negative $47 profit for a negative 16% profit margin. So here we add in what the desired profit margin is. So in this case, it would be 20%. We know now that the required sales price is $416 and sales price with tax is $452. So the way you change the sales tax in here is you go ahead and put in your local sales tax. I put it here for the state of Washington. You can do it for your locale. So hopefully this helps you out. If you want this calculator, type below and say calculator, and we'll get it sent over to you. Make it a great day.